good morning everyone. We are now printing the third and the fourth caps. The first two were printed yesterday. These are meant as replacement caps for my mummy's high chair. As you can see, the head temperature is 210 and the bed temp is 50 degrees Celsius. Yesterday I went in with slightly higher head temp of 220 and a bed temp of 60 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the skirt has been laid down and the CraftBot 3D printer is now printing both caps. The purpose of the skirt is that it allows you to see how well and your extruder is extruding and to have a proper flow before the printing starts. It also allows you to visually check for any potential problems that may arise.
Holy, holy, holy.
Print time is about 40 minutes.